So the common mistake on this one is that everybody's going to see this 3 plus 9 and they're going to want to do that first, and that is incorrect. Parentheses first, okay? So it's the 7 minus 5 goes first. So in this case here, we're going to leave the 3, we're going to leave the plus, we're going to leave the 9, and we're going to do the 7 minus 5 first, okay? So 7 minus 5 is going to change to a 2. Now, some people are still going to see this 3 plus 9 and think, oh, that's what's next, because your eyes catch it. But you do got to remember, we did parentheses. There's no exponents. Next up is multiply, divide. So is there multiplication or division? Yes, there is. 9 times 2. So 9 times 2 is going to switch with 18. Now we're done with multiply and divide. Now we can do our addition or subtraction. In this case, just addition, right? So we can do the 3 plus 18, and that's going to make 21. So this one does tend to trip people up quite a bit because they see that 3 plus 9, they think, oh, I'm going to do that first, and they're wrong, right? We got to make sure that we're doing the order of operation correctly. So quick bonus question. Try this one here. It's a viral math question. Pause the video, see if you can't get it yourself, and then come on back and see how you did. So on this one here, start with parentheses. That's going to be 1 plus 2. That's going to make 3. So the answer was 9. So if you got 9, good on you. If not, follow along here, right? The 1 plus 2 in parentheses, that's going to be a 3. Now, some people are going to see this 2 times 3 and think, oh, multiply, divide. I do multiply next. No. Multiply and divide is the same step. Okay, and we're going left to right. So the correct way of doing it is 6 divided by 2. That's going to make 3. And then the times 3 goes next. So we have a 3 times a 3 makes 9 there. So this one, again, a little bit tricky because you got to remember multiply, divide is the same step and you just go left to right. Okay.